Okay, so this is New York Times Sudoku Hard for May 4th, 2024. Let's get it going. First thing first, let's see where I can find singles. Um, okay, let's start from here. Uh, let's find where I can put three. Here's three, blocking here. This three blocks here, so it's right here. Let's follow up on this three. Here's another three, so don't have to look for one here. There hasn't been three placed yet, so let's see. Three blocks here, this three blocks here, this three blocks here, this three blocks here. So three comes in here. Let's see if I can place three in here. Here's three blocking here. Here's three blocking here. Here's another three blocking here. So three comes here. So be that should place the last three in here. Here's three blocking here. This three blocks this three blocks here. So three comes in here. So that's it for three. Let's see what the simplest one. Oh, let's see where I can place nine in here. Here's nine. I'm blocking here, so it's simply here. Since so there are three cells left in this box, and since it's on the same line, it will be quite useful to write down the candidates. These three numbers will be 2, 4, 5. 2 is here, so here's 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. It's useful because that clearly says what's well when there are triples here. These four will be filled with other four numbers. In this case, 1, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. I don't think it's really useful to put those numbers yet. I know one will be either here or here because this one, and this 6 blocking here, so 6 will be either here or here. But 1, 6, 7, 9, 7 and I mean 1, 6, 7, 8. 7 and 8 are not have no clues, so I I like to leave it open for now. Let's move on. Looking around, here's 2, 6 uh, here and here. So let's see if I can place 6 in here. 6 blocks here, 6 blocks here. So 6 can be placed in here. See if I should make sure that I follow the newly acquired number. 6 falls, 6 blocks here, 6 blocks here. So 6 will be here or here. Let's see if this 6 helps. It doesn't. How about here? 6 blocks here. This 6 blocks here. Okay, there's no other clues at the moment. So I should wait for other numbers to fill. Let's move on. Now I see here's 4. This column has 4 spaces, 4 cells empty, and this 4 just happens to block these 3 cells, so makes this one 4. And now 4 will be in one of these 3 cells, and here's another 4 which blocks here, and 4 eventually will be here, so 4 cannot be here, so 4 comes in here. Now I have a clue about these two because 6 and 8 up here, have not been used in this box. So 6 and 8 on the same line, blocking these two cells makes these two cells 6 8 double, and that will leave only two numbers for these two cells, which is 2 7, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. And now this will be 2 and 7, and this cell should have only one number left, which is 9. So here's 9. And now these two cells will be, because there are only two numbers left on this row, this will be 2 8, meaning these two will be 1 7 double, 1 7 1 7. Let's see, now these on this column only three numbers are left, and that would be 1 2 9. 2 and 9 are here, so this is actually 1, and these two will be 2 9 double, and that leaves only 5 7 8 for these three cells. I guess I can put that. This one cannot be 5 because of this 5, so this will be 7 8. This can be 5 7 8, 5 7 8, and I should keep in mind, in this case it's not useful yet, but 5 will be here or here, not here. So if there wasn't this 5, it would block 5 from being these lines. Let's continue. So 3 has been placed. 5 8 1 6 7 8. So one thing I can see is that 8 blocks here, 8 blocks here. So in this column, 8 will be either here or here. And that means when I know that 8 will be here or here, in other words, 8 cannot be in these 4 cells. So in this case, important one is this cannot be 8. So keep that in mind. Let's look at this row. This cell is blocked by this 8. This 8 blocks this cell. So on this row, only cell you can place 8 is here, which makes this 7. 7 and 8 are filled, so this is 5. And this 8 makes this one 2, which makes this one 8. And now 2 is placed here, and 2 will be here. 2 in this box will be either here or here, but 2 is already placed here, so blocks here. So 2 comes in here. And that means this column is left with 1 and 9. Oh, 7 is already placed, so this one is 1, and this is 7. So this is actually 9. And this would be 1 and 4. Let's put that down. And let me erase this one. 8, 8. And I'm looking for 5, 6, 7 here. I don't think I can see that yet. If you look at this row, 1 blocks here, 1 blocks here, so I know 1 will be here or in these one of these 3 cells. But I should look at different one first. Let's look at this box. 1 blocks here, 1 blocks here, 1 blocks here, so 1 comes in here. So 1 will be one this, but I was saying on this row, this cell is blocked by this one, this cell is blocked by this one. 1 blocks these two cells, so here's 1, 4, 5, 7, 8. I already know 8 will be 8. These two makes 8. That will place 8 in here or here, which blocks 8 from being here. I mean, yeah, 8 will be either here or here in short. Okay, let's move on. This is 1, 6, 7, 8. So this column is looking for 1, 6, 7, 8. I just made a wild guess because it has a lot of numbers filled already. And here's 1, 6, 7. Luckily, 8 is the only number you can use in here. And that will be 1, 6, 7. That's not useful, but in this box, 8 here blocks here, 8 here blocks here, this 8 blocks here, so 8 comes in here. Okay, moving on. 2, 4, 5, 9. 2, 2. Okay, that's not clear. 5, 6, 7. That's not clear either. 1, 6, 7. Okay, 4, 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 9, 6. 6 blocks here. Oh, okay. So let's look at this box first. 6 here blocks this one. 6 here blocks these two cells. So 6 will either be here or here. In turn, blocks these two cells. This 6 blocks these two cells. And this 6 blocks here. So 6 comes in here. And that would be 4, 5, 9 here. And 9 is blocking here. 9 blocks here. So 9 is actually here. So this one is 4 or 5. 9, 9. 9 will be here or here. Doesn't look like I can do anything with that. But looking at 9 on this box, this 9 blocks here. This 9 blocks here. This 9 blocks here. So 9 comes in here. Which blocks these two cells. 9 blocks here. So this is 9 here. 2, 4, 5, 7, 5. Okay, so 5 blocks here. So 5 will be either here or here, which will block these two. This 5 blocks here, here, and this 5 blocks here. So 5 comes in here. And now there are two 5s vertically blocking these two cells. And that means I have 3 cells possible for 5. And there's 5 blocking here. And so it will be either here or here. And I need 5 in here. And let's see that this 5 blocks here. So 5 is going to be either here or here. In either case, it will block this cell from being 5, leaving only this cell for possible cell for 5. Now, I already put 9 here, so this is 2, and this is 9. the last number here is 4, and 2, 6, 7, 2 blocks here, 2 blocks here, so this is 2. How about 6 and 7? Not so lucky. Let's see, let's follow up on this section. This is 5, 6, 7. 6 is blocked here, but I don't think I can place that yet. And how about 4, 6, 7? It's not there yet. Oh, I should look at this one, this row. That's 4 and 4, 1 and 4 double, and 4 is here. So this is 1, makes this one 4. This is 1. Would this 4 help anything? Doesn't look like. So let's move on. When you put some number down and horizontally, vertically they are filled, usually it doesn't help directly. So let's look for something else. I put 2 here already, so this one is 7. That makes this one 2. 2, 2, 2, so it doesn't help. 7, but 7 blocks this cell, so 7 comes in here. The last number here is 6, makes this one 8, and this one is 6, which makes this 4, 5, 4. And this is 7 and 8 double. 8 is here, so this is 7, and this is 8. This is 6 and 7. 7 is here, so 7 and 6. So these two will be 2 and 4. It's not placeable yet. What number is missing from this box then? 7 is not there for sure. So it blocks here, 7 blocks here, so this is 7. The last number here is 5, makes this one 2. This is 5. And this 2 blocks this one, so this is 2, 4, 4, 6. Okay, I think this is as clear as I can explain. I hope it was helpful. Well, anyway, thank you for watching and have a good one.